Hi there, I'm Harrison Duncan and welcome to the March Duncan Intelligence, the best place for tech tips and advice on topics and trends in business aviation. If you want to skip ahead to a different topic, use the timestamps listed over here. And all the links to full articles will be listed down below. First up, let's talk aircraft engines. Engine Condition Trend Monitoring, or ECTM, is defined as using engine operational data to find symptoms of damage, deterioration, or excessive wear. Essentially, it's a technique that continuously monitors the health of your aircraft's engines. And it's a great tool to predict a failure before secondary damage occurs. Anyone can mainly do the analysis if properly trained, but the risk for error is high. ECTM will identify subtle changes over a period of time that a flight crew won't notice. Keeping with the topic of aircraft engines, the Honeywell HTF 7000 and HTF 7350 engines are used on the Bombardier Challenger 300 and 350 aircraft, respectively. Honeywell and Bombardier have been collaborating on a program to extend the HTF periodic inspection intervals. That program recently completed a major milestone with the release of Chapter 5 revisions to both the airframe and engine maintenance manuals in January of this year. Follow the link below for a summary of the more significant inspection requirements and applicable service bulletins. Let's move from aircraft engines to accessories. Hydrostatic testing intervals of aircraft engine cylinders, fire extinguishers, and pneumatic bottles are often confusing. Click below to get clarification on when inspections are required, what needs to be sent in, and why you need to find a facility that is both DOT and FAA certified. Next up, the pressure regulator inside the completions water pallet on the Bombardier Challenger 604 aircraft has become obsolete. If this filter fails the 6-month inspection, an alternate replacement part will need to be installed. Follow the link below to learn 2 replacement options that Bombardier is offering via an SRPSA. Finally, let's talk about Duncan Aviation Straight Talk webinars happening in this month. On Tuesday, March 24th, join me and listen as I sit down with completions and modifications sales rep Matt Spain and finish shop team lead Chris Nelson to discuss hydrographics and how they can be used to customize your aircraft. Then come back a week later as Duncan Aviation avionics experts discuss Honeywell's new RDR 7000 radar and its leading edge technologies. We'll also be detailing early adopter pricing incentives. You can register for these webinars by following the links below. And that's all we have for the March Duncan Intelligence. I'm Harrison Duncan, and thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you again next month.